यस 100 WPM की स्पीड रहेगी. बी रेडी. स्टार्ट. सर लेट मी रेफर टू द डिफेंस फुल स्टॉप. आई विल take this opportunity to clarify my stand full stop. It is with the best of my intention the other day during the question hour on the foreign exchange when I joined hands on the debate and asked the Prime Minister that even when the trade gap is of the order of more than rupees 8,000 crores, is it not a fact that unfortunately even 50 years after independence we have to import on a very large scale even the sophisticated weapons in this country full stop. All of us here, whether we belong to this side or to that side in patriotism, we are second to none full stop in patriotic favor. My patriotic feeling and emotion might too be higher than that of the Prime Minister full stop, but I can assure this on the question of defense on freedom and integrity of the country, if we are not ahead of the Prime Minister, we are at least on part with the Prime Minister full stop. We will not lag behind anyone in this house as far as India's integrity and defense is concerned full stop. Next stanza. That is the feeling with which we speak full stop. All that we want is this. We do not want any umbrella as far as defense is concerned full stop. Tomorrow, even if Pakistan does make a decision and it generates bomb as a man of nuclear physics, let me say that we can also generate a bomb in no time full stop. The day we had the Pokhran explosion, it was a very wonderful work done by our Indian scientists. Hats off to them. I wrote my article on that full stop. We have already had the experiment of nuclear explosion and implosion for peaceful purposes full stop. As a student of nuclear physics, let me tell you that the initial 5 to 6 processes starting from the separation of uranium isotopes are quite common to both the processes full stop. You reach a particular stage, a little more jump, and you go to the nuclear weapons full stop. That is exactly the progress as far as this field is concerned full stop. Sir, tomorrow even if we are required to choose this option, we will not like to choose the option of the United States of America or any other superpower. We will like to stand on our own legs full stop. That is what I meant by saying that today, unfortunately, our self-reliance in sophisticated weapons is negligible. Therefore, heavy imports from outside the country are there full stop. Over.